Quarter marshals are ready. And our drivers are ready. A2, good luck guys. We're going racing in less than 5. Nice and easy, 25.5 off and running.
One ways. Oh, sweet baby.
All right, Jaime, our A1 winner out in front. The rest in yellow. Nelson in the second spot, John Cadillo in third, followed by Larry and Jason. 2 yellows lead the way. Larry in fourth and John Balatico to round out the top 5. $15.1 for Manzanilla, the last top by, backing up with a 14.8 down the back trail. That's a top 3. 3-car breakaway. Cadillo up into the 2 spot. Trouble coming onto the straight. We're clear. Race number 24, 12 scale, 17.5. Get ready. Got a good honest battle here for the 2 spot between Cortez and Cadillo off the end of the straight. The big old cluster off the end of the straightaway, the battle for 6th over on the right side.
Oh!
Looks like we got some body tuck for that candy blue. Manzanilla out in front of the Flores in yellow, 15.8, backed up with a 15.3. Out. That's good. All right. And the battle for a second, get around that blue one. The white car with the orange windows is third. Thank you. 2 down and 3 to go. Got 2 down and 3 to go. What's going on? Josh, why are you walking like that? You got 619? You got that 619 strut going. All right, 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Got 2:45 left to go. Manzanilla out in front. Cortez in second. Cadillo in third. Followed by Nazareno and Balatico to round out the top 5. We're in the middle of the A2s. Thank you to everybody for checking in online. We got the YouTube stream going. Come on up to Redwood City. Check out this awesome track here at the LEMO facility. Great vibe and a great turnout for the inaugural event out here at WCIC. That's called the West Coast Indoor Championships. Thank you to all of our organizers and club members. Big shout out to Pole Position RC Club as well. And a shout out to our title sponsor, Awesomatics. We'll be shouting out all our sponsors in a couple minutes, guys. Right now, we want you to go over to the raffle prize. See if you got a matching ticket, guys. So head on over and see if you got a matching ticket over on the raffle table. Manzanilla, Cortez, and Cadillo, our top 3, followed by Larry and John Balatico to round out the top 5. Carino, Mavrakis, Silvero, and Rose. Hicks did not start. Oh, trouble coming onto the straightaway. Watch it coming onto the straightaway, go low, and we're clear. 1 minute and 30 seconds left to go. Got 1:30 left on timer.
Yeah.
1 minute left. All right, clear. 35 seconds left to go. Nelson Cortez, John Balatico, and John Cadillo. The battle is for third right here down the backstretch. Cadillo in the white car with the orange windows. Larry right behind him in the blue. I think it's dead. 15 seconds left to go. Punch it over here. 10 seconds left to go again, 10 seconds. Three seconds to go. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going. All right, Jaime's going to take the win in the yellow. He had another missed lap right there at the end. Keep going, guys, keep going. We still got 5 more to finish. And that's race. Everybody is done. Jaime Manzanilla going to take the title for TC 25.5. That fluorescent yellow car. Boom shakalaka. Nelson Cortez second. John Valentico third. Followed by John Cadillo fourth. Larry fifth. Mike, Jason, and Ronnie. Bring him in and shut him down. Guys, this is race number 24.